Airports are a thief's playground. Every day, millions of travelers pass through, unknowingly becoming targets. In fact, over $500 million worth of valuables are stolen from airports each year worldwide. That's just the stuff people lose. Imagine how much more is taken through sneaky thefts that go unnoticed. Most travelers think they're safe, but airport thieves are experts at spotting easy targets. They know exactly when to strike, how to confuse you, and even how to make you feel comfortable while they take what's yours. And the scariest part? You probably won't realize you've been targeted until it's too late. In this video, you'll learn how thieves pick their victims at airports and, more importantly, how you can avoid becoming one. We'll reveal the tricks they use to steal your stuff, and share simple, smart strategies to stay one step ahead. If you want to travel without the fear of losing your valuables, stick around. This is one lesson you don't want to miss. Chapter 1. The Silent Predator. How thieves scan the crowd when you step into an airport. Do you ever wonder who's watching you? Thieves are experts at scanning crowds, looking for easy targets. They don't always follow the obvious patterns either. In fact, they've been known to study people for hours. One of the first signs thieves look for is someone who appears distracted. Whether you're buried in your phone or staring at the flight board, they're sizing you up. A study by the Bureau of Justice Statistics found that most victims of airport thefts were unaware of what happened until it was too late. Thieves often rely on body language. If you seem unaware of your surroundings, you're more likely to be targeted. They also love to spot people with valuable items that are poorly guarded, like your laptop in an open bag or your passport sticking out of your pocket. Surprisingly, thieves don't pick just anyone. They're keen on your habits. For example, if you're holding onto your phone while walking, they might follow you around, waiting for the perfect moment to snatch it. Keep your eyes open and your body language confident. Thieves want victims who seem easy, so don't give off that vibe. Chapter 2. Your luggage as a target. The secret message your bags send. Did you know your luggage can reveal a lot about you? Thieves can tell if you're traveling light or carrying expensive gear. If your suitcase is bulky and flashy, it signals that you may have valuable electronics or jewelry inside. It's a goldmine for thieves who want to make a quick grab. Statistics show that thefts are more common when luggage is unattended or out of your sight. Airport surveys reveal that bags left in busy areas are often targeted within minutes. Thieves are known to avoid direct confrontation, so they prefer to grab bags left at gates or terminals while the owner is distracted. To avoid becoming a target, consider blending in. Choose neutral-colored bags and avoid flashy luggage tags. Thieves have a keen eye for details. Small items like expensive-looking keychains or tags can attract unwanted attention. Chapter 3. The Distraction Game. How thieves use chaos to strike. Airports are full of chaos, and thieves know how to use that to their advantage. Whether it's a long line at security or a sudden announcement, thieves are masters at creating distractions. According to a 2019 report from the Airport Security Authority, over 60% of thefts happen during high-traffic moments when your attention is divided. Thieves may team up with others to cause commotion, like bumping into you or spilling something near your luggage. While you're reacting, they'll be swiping your valuables. This is where they really shine. Distractions give them the perfect window to act without being noticed. To avoid this, stay calm. If you see a crowd gathering or an unexpected event unfolding, take a moment to secure your belongings. And, whenever possible, keep your valuables in front of you, like a crossbody bag or a front pocket wallet. Subscribe now if you want to learn more about airport safety and tips to avoid becoming a victim of theft. Don't miss the next chapters for more crucial advice on staying safe. Chapter 4. The Power of the Confused Tourist. How thieves exploit your moment of vulnerability. Have you ever felt lost or confused at an airport? Thieves are experts at spotting travelers who seem unsure of themselves. A 2018 study showed that almost 40% of airport theft victims were tourists who appeared disoriented or in need of help. The moment you stop to look at a map or ask for directions, you become an easy target. They often target people who seem hesitant, those who fumble with tickets or look at the wrong signs. Thieves may approach with a smile and offer assistance, but behind that friendly face is an opportunity to rob you. To avoid this, plan ahead. Download your airline's app or have a clear sense of your gate and surroundings before you arrive. Thieves look for hesitation. So, act confident and avoid stopping in crowded areas to check your phone. Chapter 5. Your phone. The digital goldmine airport thieves are watching. It might surprise you, but your phone is a major target for airport thieves. It's not just because it's expensive, it's because it holds your personal information. Experts say that smartphones are like gold mines for criminals. They can access everything from bank apps to travel documents in seconds. In fact, a 2020 global survey found that nearly 1 in 5 airport thefts involved stolen smartphones. Thieves are quick to snatch phones out of pockets or bags, especially when you're distracted. And many thieves don't need to run away to steal your data. They can do it remotely through techniques like Bluetooth hacking or phone cloning. To protect yourself, keep your phone close and avoid leaving it unattended. Use a screen lock and be wary of unfamiliar charging stations. And, if you're in a crowded area, don't keep your phone exposed in your hands. Chapter 6. The art of the smooth talker. How thieves use charming strangers to steal from you. Thieves are often skilled at talking their way into your trust. They may approach you in a friendly, non-threatening way, asking for help or offering assistance. These smooth-talking thieves are masters of manipulation. In fact, studies show that more than 50% of airport thefts involve some form of social engineering. The criminal may pretend to be a fellow traveler or even someone who works at the airport. They might ask questions that seem harmless at first, like, "Are you on the 3 o'clock flight?" or, "Do you know where gate 23 is?" While you're answering, they could be silently slipping your wallet or passport out of your bag. They use charm and familiarity to lower your guard. To avoid falling for this trick, always be cautious around strangers, even if they seem friendly. If someone's asking too many personal questions or offering help too eagerly, keep your belongings close and your answers short. Trust your instincts and never reveal too much about your plans or whereabouts. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more travel safety tips and tricks. Stay safe out there and keep your belongings close.